close to sin, hindering my inner man, feeling bland like an empty building. And yes, I understand why I feel this way, but it doesn't change a thing. And like gravity, it always stays the same, holding me down as these chains keep me bound. It's like a bad dream. I thought I woke up, but it's the same scene. Now I'm all choked up, lying on the ground just trying to focus. Tears falling out like my heart's ripped out. I'm begging for mercy and grace to fall, praying that my walk doesn't become a crawl.
I don't understand why I do these things. I don't understand why I do these things. So I come before you and beg you, Lord. So I come before you and beg you, Lord. Be all up in the blood. 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 Be all up in the blood.
The color of love is the color of grace is. How is it that you just forgive and forget, but all I do is relive and regret? And most of these things in my life I've overcome, but one of these keep playing like a rerun, and one of these keep playing like a rerun. And when it starts I'm so stunned, so numb, like a paraplegic man, I just can't run. And when it's all done I feel so dumb, sick to my stomach like a bucket of chum. Back at this place with a familiar face, feeling like a car that needs an oil change.
I don't understand why I do these things. I don't understand why I do these things. So I come before you and beg you, Lord. So I come before you and beg you, Lord. Be all up in